Welcome to Televeda's Digital Literacy Training Series. In this session, we'll guide you through using the internet and email on both iPhone and Android smartphones. Whether you want to send and receive emails to manage correspondence with your recurring services, join a virtual doctor's appointment, or browse the web for recipes and news, this video will help you get started. By the end, you'll know how to send an email, allow permissions for using the webcam online, and manage browser tabs for organized navigation. Let's get started. First, let's learn how to open your email app and send an email. On your iPhone, open the email app, which looks like a blue and white envelope icon. If you have not yet registered an email account with a service like Google, Yahoo, or Apple, you'll have to do that first. Choose an email provider and follow the on-screen steps to connect the account to your mail app. Once your email is connected, tap the Compose button in the bottom right corner to start a new email. Enter the recipient's email address, a subject line, and your message. When you're ready to send the email, tap the Send button, which looks like an upward arrow. Voila! When you want to reply to an email you've received, go back to your inbox. Tap on the email you'd like to reply to, and select the Reply button that looks like an arrow pointing backwards. Select Reply. Now you're ready to type your email reply and tap the Send button when finished. That's it. For Android phones, open the Gmail app, which looks like a red and white envelope icon. Tap the Compose button in the bottom right corner. Enter the recipient's email address and select the correct suggestion that appears. Next, enter a subject line, and finally your message. When you're ready to send the email, tap the Send button, which looks like a paper airplane. To reply to an email that you've received, go back to your inbox. Tap the email you want to reply to. Scroll down until you see the Reply button. If the email has multiple recipients, you can tap Reply All to ensure your reply goes to everyone the email was sent to, rather than just the individual sender. Type your message and tap the Send button. Next, let's navigate to a website and test your webcam. This practice is essential for using websites like Televeda, where enabling your webcam can enhance your virtual experience. On your iPhone, open the Safari browser, which looks like a blue compass icon. If you're using an Android phone, the process will be similar, except you will use the Chrome browser, which looks like this. Tap the address bar to activate the keyboard. Type webcamtests.com and press Go on the iPhone or this right arrow button on Android. Once the page loads, see if you can identify the advertisement on the page to avoid it. If you see these tiny icons in the top right corner of a web block, you know that the banner is an advertisement. Let's steer clear. Notice that ads will often try to trick you into thinking they are a functional part of the website. Identify the correct button to test your webcam, the Test My Cam button here, and tap it. A prompt will display asking if you'd like this website to access your device's camera. Select Allow, and there you have it. You've successfully enabled the webcam on your device, which will come in handy for a variety of online experiences. While we're here in the browser, let's manage our browser tabs. On the iPhone, scroll down to reveal the URL bar again. In the bottom right corner, you will see an icon of two overlapping squares. Tap it to reveal all the browser tabs that you have open. To close some of these tabs, simply swipe left on them or tap the X in the top right corner of the tab. This can help you organize your web browsing experience. Note, there is also a plus button in the bottom left corner of the screen. If you tap this button, you can create a new browser tab. On your Android phone, while you're in the Chrome browser, you'll see a box with a number inside. Tap the box to view all your active tabs. Again, swipe left or tap the X in the top right corner of the tab to close it. In the top left corner of the screen, you will see the New Tab button to start a new tab. Now you know how to send an email, test your webcam, and manage browser tabs on both iPhone and Android smartphones. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials from Televeda. Thanks for watching.